Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing around with makeup that you can only get at Priceline, and I'm going to do a tutorial based on everything that I used you can buy on Priceline. So let's just jump into the video. I'll explain what products I'm using there and we'll just go from there. Quickest intro ever for me, 22 seconds. Whew. Yep, looking like a hot mess. So the serum I'm going to be using is the Asano Clear Complexion Detoxifying Serum. It looks like this, and it has probiotics in it. It's very bright, I'm so sorry. Yep. So it says to add 2 to 3 pumps to your face. 2 to 3 pumps? 2 to 3 pumps. One. I'm going to do 2. I'm just going to blend that in with my fingers. I've only recently just purchased this because they had 40% off cosmetics. So I just purchased this last week, I think. Not cosmetics, skincare, sorry. The primer I'm going to be using is the Bourjois Happy Light Matte Serum Primer. I'm going to use another serum. What? I haven't used this in ages. I've just come up with like an awesome video that I want to do for my next one. Well, one of my videos I've got to film. But I will not tell you about it. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing my Rimmel ones, the Freshest Skin ones. Have not used these in a while. Okay, I've actually got so much on my skin. I guess together we're going to see how full coverage this will be because I've just added so much. I love the smell of this foundation. It just feels so fresh. Just going to prime my eyelids with the concealer I'm using, which is the Rimmel Wake Me Up. And setting that concealer down with my Rimmel Transparent Stay Matte Powder. Just so my eyeshadows don't crease. I'm going to do my eyeshadow first before doing my eyebrows. Now I got this palette. It's the Models Prefer Samantha Jade one. Now I got this like 2 weeks ago and it was, I don't know if it was discontinued or not, but it's still Models Prefer and it's sort of the same formula of their eyeshadows, I think. And I really wanted to try it out in this video, so I'm so sorry if you cannot get this anymore, but it's still Models Prefer and I think they do eyeshadows as well, so we'll just, please forgive me. So when I swatched this, like their swatch tester one was like phenomenal, so I hope I get the same payoff. So I'm going to be starting off with this colour here, which is called Intimate. Over Intimate, I'm going to take Bon Bon. Now because I feel like I want a darker brown and there's not one in that palette, I'm going to go into my Maybelline Dream Sun and use that as a transition colour as well. I'm then going to take Fiesta, this colour here, and apply that to my whole lid using my finger because I just prefer using my finger for this stuff. Now, I'm then going to take the black, hope I don't ruin it, and grab a tiny little bit and just pop that on the crease as well. Right, I can go a little bit darker. My first colour on this brush and blend it out, which makes it look a little bit better. Right, going to leave the eyes alone, do my eyebrows real quick, and for that I'll be using my Rimmel Brow, smack myself in the face, Rimmel Brow This Way with my NYX push-up brow for your eyebrows. I'm pretty sure they still sell this. And my L'Oreal Brow Plumper, because I usually use my Benefit Highbrow, but I want to show you that you don't need to have the Benefit Highbrow. You can use the NYX one. So let's do my eyebrows together with you. My camera SD card said it was full, so I had to change it. So I just blended out that NYX push-up brow for my eyebrows. Now we're going to do concealer on our under eyes. To set my under eyes, I'm going to take the Model's Own Grand Finale Loose Powder Paper. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take Intimate and then Bon Bon and just get it all on your hand. For mascara, I'm going to take the Falsies Push Up Angel by Maybelline. I used to love this one like last year. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to take my, wow, I'm really bright. Right, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take the Australis Fresh and Flawless. Just going to add some of this ChloeMorello Revlon Sculpt and Highlight Contour Kit. I'm just going to take this banana powder right here and just pop that under my eyes as well. And just going to take a tiny bit of the contour colour Sculpt. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Dream Sun as my bronzer. My brush looks like it's got a hole in it, just the way I've picked it up. For blush, going to take, it's like Maybelline everything. For blush, going to take my Maybelline Master Blush Palette, and I'm going to take this colour here. And for highlighter, my Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Highlighter Powder in, can you even see that? So bright. In Golden Sand. It looks quite warm. To set my face, Model's Own Finale Setting Spray. Ooh, I forgot how strong that spritzer was. Whoa. For lips, taking my Face of Australia Sugar Rose Lip Liner, following up with my CoverGirl 280 Decadent Peach Lipstick. I think it's a bit pink. It's not very peachy. Okay everyone, so that finishes this makeup tutorial. I actually quite like it. And all of this stuff you can get at Priceline. I will leave in the bottom bar if you can get this one. I'll do some research before I upload it. And if you can't, I'll just try and find substitutes for you. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment before you go. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. or review. I don't know. Anyway, bye. Mwah.